So we've added a little something to our morning routine. As long as we're in colder climate. Yeah, let's go down that road. So this is where we stayed last night, at the Blue Heron cheese store. And this morning we heard a rooster crowing and we didn't know where in the world it was. Well, there's a little petting zoo over here. And there's a white peacock. Can you see her? I don't know if it's a her or him. And there's another one over here getting ready to fly over the fence. Come on, you can do it. There you go. And there's the rooster. And this is what the back looked like. Just a big open lot here, just grassy area, lots of mud puddles, water puddles. But it was okay. Yep. Awesome. Nice and quiet, except for the rooster. Hello, faithful people. I'm Orlean.
I'm Gary.
And this is Roads of Faith. So we stayed in Tillamook, Oregon last night at Blue Heron Cheese Company. They had a really nice little gift shop. We got some cheese, of course, and we got some mustard for Gary. I guess he'll share it with me, but he likes his mustard. Anyway, we stayed there. There was a kind of a, there's the parking lot, and then you drive up a little bit. Next to the parking lot, there's a little brim, and that's where they told us we could park, and it was pretty cool. There was another couple there that we found out were from Ontario. They were in like a little Class B. We didn't get a chance to meet them, but so we were not alone up there anyway. And this morning the roosters woke us up.
Yes.
And we're like, where is the rooster? There's a little petting zoo right next to us, and it had a goat and some chickens, and that's where it was this morning. Anyway, so what have we added to our morning routine? We talked about, in an earlier vlog, we talked about the condensation issues. And we have things that are supposed to be absorbing the moisture, but it's not enough. We really need to see if we could find some kind of a little battery-operated dehumidifier. But so far have not run across that. We found out that we needed to be wiping down the windows and the rims of the windows and the frames every morning. They've been pretty wet. We have them covered. We have the windows covered for extra insulation, but it's just not enough. And we aren't running heat all night. We just have the heat, the Mr. Buddy heater on for a little while when we first get in there. We have the heater on for just a little while in the morning, and that's it. So in between, during the night, we don't have heat on. We do have the furnace set at 55, so if it gets that cold in there, that would kick in, but I don't know that, it's got to be getting colder than 55 in there.
Yes.
Did we turn it on last night?
Yes.
We did. Did it kick in?
I don't know. I didn't stay awake to find out.
Okay. It's very quiet, so I guess maybe that makes sense. It could be kicking in. We just don't hear it. So anyway, we're staying nice and warm once we're in bed and everything. It's great, and we're using blankets and things otherwise, and it's good. We're just trying to keep from having a lot of heat inside, because then that just adds to more condensation on the windows. So anyway, that's been added to our morning routine, and that takes a little bit of time to wipe down all the windows, but not bad. We know that we needed to do that, and that's good. Today we are looking for a library, so we're going to be going to Pacific City to use the library, and we're going to pay some bills. It's the first of the month. We're going to be doing just some updates on our computers, and I'm going to upload a video. So we heard there was an air museum somewhere.
I know it's up here somewhere. It's gotta be.
It's somewhere.
Maybe the clouds are just too heavy.
I don't know. Could be.
Keep your eyes open.
Yeah. All right. We'll do that. This was just gorgeous in the fall. Oh my goodness. Look at all there's a lot more than just evergreens in there. Farms along here, a lot of dairy and small farms, and notice the cows are getting outside, which is really refreshing to see. We're almost into Pacific City. I think we found a rock that's even bigger than the one at Cannon Beach. Bigger than Haystack Rock. Pelican Pub and Brewery. Been reading about that quite a bit. It's supposed to have some really good fish fry. Which, unless it's gluten-free batter, we can't have. But if they have like a broiled cod, we could have that. And it is Friday. Just saying. Saw some spectacular houses up on the bluffs. Look at those waves. Wow. That B class right there looks like the one that was behind us last night.
Could be.
So, interesting fact, there's more than one Haystack Rock on the Oregon coast. And this one in Pacific City is actually the largest of the Haystack Rocks.
It's called Cape Kiwanda.
And you will find it by Cape Kiwanda. Look at those waves. Woo! Won't be walking out to that today. There's two guys out there. I don't know if you can see them. They're going to attempt to surf. They're having a really hard time swimming against the current. Can you see them? They're kind of right in the center there. One is behind the other. Talk about a workout. That's the dune that the visitor's book said to hike up it, but then scoot down on your butt on the way down. This is another view from one of the many viewpoints that they have on 101.